Hey.
It seems your internet got better.
Yeah, it did.
Your picture is moving faster.
Uh,
Oh, there's one interesting function. The people who starts talking, the screen of that person is shared. Like if you start talking now, I will see your screen, and you will see your screen, and you will see mine probably. Try to talk.
if we're talking,
Yeah, and as you just said, that my screen turned to yours. Interesting. Okay, but of course nothing was recorded because it was a simple hangout and not hangout on air.
oh, okay, okay.
I will share my entire screen, and you will probably see Google Plus right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I will open Codewars once again. Log in. GitHub logging.
Yeah.
Did you what to say? How to? Did you succeed completing the registration?
Yes. I'm actually on level 7 now.
Ah, so you already
No, not
access.
7. I'm still on level 8, but
Yeah.
I'm attempting a level 7 question.
Okay, let's complete the Jaden strings exercise. You see it?
Sorry? Okay,
You see
okay.
it?
Jadine,
Jaden, yeah. You know
I have
this
to look.
the son of Will Smith.
Yeah, so I have to look for it, right?
Yes, you can. You can view. Did you print University of Tartu as your
Yes.
organization?
Yes, I did.
Then if you will see your allies, you should probably see me.
Uh,
View profile and then allies.
my profile and then what? Allies?
Share your screen also.
Okay, sure.
It will be easier. Scroll down. Allies.
Okay.
And then scroll a bit up. And where is me?
I can't find you.
That's interesting because what? I have to be somewhere here. Okay, maybe the online users.
Maybe, maybe.
But anyway, you should be able to find this. Yeah, if you choose kata from the left menu, do you see it?
Yes.
And there will be search, the search field.
Kata from the left menu.
Yes, and search for Jaden.
Okay.
So let's start with this one.
Yeah.
And you press.
Train.
Did you? Yeah, train. So you need to define a function to Jaden case that will capitalize every single word in the string.
In Ruby, capitalize is the dot capitalize, right? That is the
yeah. There
extension.
is a string function for this for the strings. It already exists. You don't need to parse the string and such. How I did this was I took the string, something like that. What did I do next? I split it by the space.
Okay.
So in now I will get the array of the where every single word will be separately. I also define some result variable that I will return in the end. So what I did next after splitting that for each word I did you following me?
Yes, I'm trying to get the logic first. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Yeah, for each word I want it to be capitalized and added to the result string. Result word capitalize. So it will now the result variable will be every single word capitalized. But the thing is, we are missing our empty spaces. So I'll just add them in the end of each word. So now the result will be every single word capitalized and okay, this with the string with the empty space in the end, so that there would be spaces between words. But the thing is that there will be one extra space in the end after the last word that we don't need. So what we do in the end, that we return result chopped. I probably chop what was the function. Then I check if everything is okay. Yeah, it passed. And after that, I
1 minute.
submit.
You have result equals to empty spaces, right?
What?
You initialized an empty space to result.
Yes, I created the result variable with that was empty string.
But I don't understand. In C++, every variable has to be defined. This result wasn't defined.
I defined the result before the toJDenCase function.
Oh.
If you write result equals and some value, this way you initialize some variable.
Okay, so you can okay, you can define the variable inside the function.
Yes.
Inside the toJDenCase function.
Yes, of course.
Without using the define keyword. Okay, I think I understand now. Okay, I'm just I'm going to try it.
I will tell if you have any syntax mistakes.
Okay. Result. Keyboard. The fuck?
What language are you using?
American.
Then it will be shift plus the A letter with the dots. Yeah. And then you will need to use the each function to loop through the array. But first you need to get the array of the words. I believe the C++ has the split function also.
Yeah, but it's not like it's barely used. Okay.
The thing is that you write your string, then you put dot, then you put split, and as the argument you pass by which how you want to split it. For example, you can split it by every single char or by tabs. I used the space, the empty space sign, or the white space, how it is called. So you need to pass the argument. No, you have already already did a mistake. So the string, what is string? You don't have a variable string. And because in this function we don't pass the string as an argument, we need to use self.
So that's a predefined keyword in
Yes.
Ruby.
Yes.
Okay. So okay.
Then you provide split with an argument.
Let's see.
Have you completed the Ruby Warrior assignment last week?
I did. I got to level.
Because you.
I couldn't pass level 5, so I think I couldn't pass level. Was it level 4?
The thing is, if you completed the homework for Ruby that was due last weekend, probably, or Thursday, on the EDX portal, you should be familiar with the Ruby syntax.
The homework 0. Homework 0 on the EDX. On EDX, right? That's what you're talking about.
Yeah.
No, I didn't do it.
Okay.
There was okay. See.
9.
Yeah. Okay.
Then you put strings, not strings, quotes.
Okay.
And inside the quote, you choose how you want to split the string. You can just put space, like put space, press space, and another quote. No, you didn't put space. Yeah, like that, it will work.
Okay. This is like programming 101 all over again. It's quite difficult programming in a new language.
Yes, but you already had 2 weeks to get some basic understanding of the syntax. It's not the very overcomplicated stuff that we are doing right now. Then, okay, this, what are you doing? What you did right now will return you the array. And values. Each element of array will be a word from the string.
Okay.
So what you need to do, you put each.
Yeah.
You put space. And you put do. This is like a predefined word in Ruby. And then after do, you put another space, and you need to put pipes.
I didn't get that.
No, you have pipes. It's shift and right to the quote. The next button. Are you sure you're programming in C++?
The name of the thing you called is what I don't get.
The next button after the quote button.
No. Hold on. This is what you mean. I don't know the name of the word you're calling, but no. Just 1 minute.
There. button right to the next. So you know the quote button, the A letter with the dots. And the pipe button is right to it, the next button. But you need to press it to put it with the shift. Yeah.
Oh, stroke.
And here you put any name you want. It will be the name of the element that you will be how to say. So now you will be iterating through the array, and what you put in pipes is the name of every single element separated. So for example, if you do put here element and then another pipe, the next thing you will do, you will choose what you want to do with this element. Like put anything
No, hold
you
on.
want.
I know. Wait, why did you call these pipes?
Because they're called pipes.
Oh, really?
In English, yeah.
Okay. We call them strokes. So when you said pipe, it was I was trying to understand what you meant.
Oh, actually, every lecturer calls them pipes, and I haven't heard anything else except for that.
Okay. Let's see. What you doing? I'm just gonna use element anyways.
Yeah, or you can just put one char like E and then close pipe, and it will work.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah. And then you go to new line.
Sorry?
Go to yeah, and you should type end. In Ruby, when you're given some conditions like if, else, if, or you are doing loops, in the end, or even you're defining class functions, you need to put the end keywords after them.
Okay.
You can see the toJaden case function ends with an end keyword. So okay, and now inside this block, between the end and the self, there you put your code. It's basically for each loop. Have you ever used for each loops?
Yep. For each, yeah.
Okay, there's basically the same.
Okay, so
you need
for
to
each
type
element
between the self and the end. Between them, you create a new, yes, and here you goes your code that you want to do with the element. So now you put E and everything you want to do with it.
Okay. So I'm going to use the but if it's not a loop one, okay, no problem. So if just so I've just split the in. So
you put E. You defined E inside the pipes. You need to use it. No, it's I.
The if keyword doesn't go with capital letters, right? This works. Okay.
What do you want to do with the if? What you want to check with the if condition?
If there's if in the okay, no, there's no need. Sorry, I'm just going to read the question back again.
You need to capitalize every single word in the sentence. That's the task.
Oh, okay.
You need
I thought the task was to check if there is a capital letter in the word.
No. You're given the string as the input, and as the output, you give out the same string, but every first letter of every word is uppercase.
So then this should be the for loop, I guess.
You are already doing the loop. You are inside the loop right now. You splitted your string by words.
Spaces. Yeah.
Yeah, you split your string by spaces. So now you had the array of words. So every single word is named E as you provided it yourself in the pipes.
Yeah.
So E is every single word. And now you use this E and you do things with this E.
Okay.
Do you
So
understand?
yes. So if E now refers to every single word in the string, right?
Yes, yes. It loops through every single word. And for example, in the first loop, the E is how, if you take the example. The second step, the E will be can. The third step, E will be mirrors. The fourth step, E will be then real, and so on. Do you understand? Okay, man. Just I will help you to complete this exercise, and then I strongly advise you to read about Ruby loops, Ruby variables, and Ruby functions. But loops is what you will definitely need to solve the exercises. Are you listening to me? Hello?